powder blue. They're all right together. You getting the doggy? Figured that's what you were aiming for. I had a golden retriever nuzzle my hands for a second.
Aww.
They were walking by and the dog got right up there and went, walked right on by.
That was cool.
I didn't touch him, but
that was cool.
Yeah. Ooh, 4-barrel. Watch out for the puddle. Got this right up here.
More he yelled, more he laughed.
That is a wicked shirt. I love it.
Me too. She got that one maybe at the motorcycle shop.
Yeah.
By Davidson.
Like I said, you could always stand back and forth. That way you get both sides. I picked the one off the other side. He's got a little mascot sitting in his hand. That's cute. He's got little mascot sitting there.
That's too funny.
That's so cute. It's my car.
Yeah, I'm going for a ride.
Yeah.
my car. That's too cute.
That's so cool. That's a Hot Wheels type.
We can get the other street down there.
We'll get those on the roundabout and stuff, but we'll make an extra video. Oh, hey, look. Right. That's cool. Color change.
I noticed that. That's cool.
it's got the valve stem for bullets. That's pretty cool.
Looks like it's changing color.
Looks blue from one way and silver another way. That's
Ooh.
where's that at? This one.
This looks kind of around in the airplane one time ago.
Yeah, but
I like the ones that look vicious. Alright. You got bullet holes too. Alright. And all you have to do when you're finished, just tap that button right on top. And then we'll